Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Tata Sumo has made a remarkable comeback, blending its rugged legacy with modern advancements. Known for its durability and reliability, the new Sumo is set to redefine the utility vehicle segment in India. Tata Motors has retained the boxy yet muscular design, ensuring it remains a sturdy workhorse while incorporating sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and stylish alloy wheels to enhance its appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Sumo is expected to feature a BS6 compliant diesel engine, offering improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. With a powerful 2.0 liters turbocharged engine, the vehicle promises better torque and performance, making it suitable for both urban and off-road driving. Tata has also focused on enhancing the suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Inside, the new Sumo is designed for comfort and functionality. The spacious cabin can accommodate up to 9 passengers, making it a preferred choice for families, tour operators, and commercial users. The dashboard has been revamped with a modern infotainment system, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Additionally, the vehicle boasts improved upholstery, ample storage compartments, and enhanced air conditioning for maximum comfort. Safety has been a priority in the 2025 Tata Sumo. The vehicle now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and rear parking sensors. Tata's commitment to passenger safety ensures that the Sumo meets the latest crash test standards, making it a reliable choice for long journeys. Fuel efficiency remains a key factor, with the new model offering a mileage of around 14 to 16 km/L, making it cost-effective for commercial use. The maintenance cost is also expected to be low, given Tata's track record of producing durable and affordable vehicles. With its competitive pricing, the 2025 Tata Sumo is set to rival models like the Mahindra Bolero and Ford Kuka. Whether for personal or business use, it stands out as a dependable and versatile option. Tata Motors has successfully revived an iconic nameplate with modern features while maintaining its core strengths of durability, space, and affordability. The return of the Tata Sumo is sure to be welcomed by fans who have long awaited its resurgence.